Welcome back, guys. So this is part 2 of our pre-Christmas unboxing fest. We're going to open now the Blichmann Therminator. If you haven't seen part 1 of this yet, it's the SS Brew mash tun, infusion mash tun. That'll be in a link up there. Let's get stuck in. You're on.
Okay, latest addition to the brew house then. Blichmann Therminator plate chiller. Allegedly, it can chill 10 gallons of boiling wort down to pitching temperature in, what did I say just now? 5 minutes?
5 minutes, yeah.
Which seems ludicrous, doesn't it? We'll have to test that.
We will. Next brew day.
Yeah.
Coming up
at the
soon.
moment we're waiting, what? To 10 gallons, we're waiting 45 minutes to an hour, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, at the moment we're using a draft beer and cider chiller, aren't we?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, we're good. It's got a golden glow coming out. What's that music?
It's from
Halo.
Oh, no. I'll get back to you on that. Here we go.
Like a part of a motor car.
That's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Barely. Lift it. Look at that. All 316 stainless steel. There we go, that's a bit more interesting, isn't it? All 316 stainless steel plates. Got wort in there, wort out the back, and then water out there, water in there.
Okay.
These ones are 1/2 inch MPT fittings, and these ones are 3/4 inch hose lock fittings.
Okay, let's look at the back. Nice.
You've got this little, I guess it's a mounting bracket in the back.
Oh, okay.
What else we got? Feel the weight of it?
What's up in the box, is it?
No, it's instructions, I think. Cool. Blichmann instructions are always really straightforward, actually.
Yeah?
Easy to read, yeah.
Proves they're designed for cabbages like you.
Yeah, you've got to keep it simple for me.
There we go. That's it for the box.
Got in here some
Fittings?
Blichmann style fittings. Yeah. Excellent. Not really a lot more we can say about this, is there?
Not really. I think that'll do.
Yeah, should make a massive difference.
Yeah, we'll test it on the next brew day and come back to you with our feedback. Hope you guys enjoyed that swift unboxing. Just so you know, we'll go into more depth once we actually use them in practice on a brew day, which will be coming up soon. Hope you've enjoyed these 2 videos along with the mash tun. Sorry about that idiot over my shoulder. We're social distancing, as you can see. Yeah.
It's really small.
You have shrunk. So don't forget, guys and girls, these came from Santa. We didn't actually pay any money, so communicate that to the wives and girlfriends and all will be well. You guys take care, we'll see you soon.